Hey paper crafters, I've got a super quick tip for you today. You know how sometimes you will tie a bow in a ribbon or it's been put in the drawer and it gets all squished up and it gets little wrinkles in it? This is a super quick way that you can get rid of it. So one way that you can try to get rid of it is to just run it with your bone folder. And sometimes the heat of your hand is going to be enough to take those out, but they're still there. I'm hoping that you can still see they're there. So what I do is I take my silicone craft sheet and I have a tiny little hair straightener that I keep in my room, in my craft room. And all you do is heat it up just like normal and you just run your ribbon, run it right through the straightener and it will make it go super straight. Perfect again. Now you can also use this on a card where you have a bow already. So if you have a bow already tied onto a card like I do here, you just take the ribbon exactly the same way. Just be sort of careful that you're not going too close to the card and do the exact same thing, and it will straighten it right out for you so that you can hand that off to somebody and it can make a perfect bow. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is you don't want to use it on ribbon that has any kind of plastic on it because it will melt the ribbon. If you'd like to get even more tips, take a look at my Joe Tips videos on YouTube. There's all kinds there to help make your paper crafting go a little bit quicker. See you later. Bye-bye.